Welcome to this new video. In this short video, I want to show you how you can install Apache Maven on Ubuntu. Let's open the terminal and type sudo apt update. After that, type sudo apt install maven and type yes. Done. Now I'm going to check the Maven installation just typing mvn version on the terminal. Very well. We have complete the installation of Maven and we have installed the version 3.6.1. You can also type mvn help to see all options that you can use with the mvn command. In this video, you will learn how to install Apache Maven on Ubuntu. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be updated with a new video that I will upload. See you in the next video. Bye.